Everybody dreads having to sharpen their joiner blades because it's a finicky and time-consuming job to remove and reinstall them, but it's not necessary to remove the blades to sharpen them as often as you think, and I'm going to show you an old school method that will allow you to sharpen the blades without removing them in less than 3 minutes and extend the life of your blades. The first thing you will need is a blade hone or honing stone. I'm using an extremely fine diamond honing stone. You'll want to wrap the stone in parchment or wax paper and just leave a little bit of surface showing at one end. Next, after moving the fence out of the way, you'll need to lay the stone down so that it is flat and level on both the surface of the blade and the infeed table. Adjust the table as needed to achieve this. Once you get it nice and flat, move the exposed part of the hone back and forth along the blade as steadily as you can while resting the covered part on the infeed table. There's no need to be fast. A little cutting oil will help, and I'm using Tap Magic here. Now technically we're not sharpening the blade but honing it. The edge of the blade is slightly moved by repeated use, and honing it brings the edge back into alignment and effectively makes it sharp again. You can see the edge of the knife begins to shine as it gets honed. If you feel the blade, you should start to notice it feeling sharper. You can then repeat the process with the other blades. As you can see, not much material is removed from the blades, unlike with standard sharpening, and this helps them last longer. You can use this method between sharpenings, but when the blades stop holding their edges long, you'll want to remove them and use the standard method.